face! Throw an elbow!
Yo guys, we just purchased this new house flip that we're gonna do over here, and I wanted to share with you guys something very important. So the thing is like this: when you're doing a flip, extremely important, and when I say extremely, there is not enough words that I can emphasize how important it is. The outside, the landscaping, everything needs to be addressed, okay? And the reason that I'm saying landscaping and outside is because that's the face of the house. That's the curb appeal. That's what will drive buyers into the house or out of it. Yes, the kitchen is very important, and yes, the showers are extremely important as well. But you got to remember the outside. That's the first impression they're going to see. That's the first impression they're going to have, and you got to make sure that it's going to look amazing. So over here we're starting with the landscaping, and it's going to be wow. You're going to have some artificial turf over here. You're going to have some shrubs and bushes over there. Let me show you the backyard. The potential is amazing. There is a huge tree over there that we just trimmed like half of it, and as I said, the back, this is where you're selling the dream. The family or the friends or everyone want to hang out in the backyard, barbecue, party, whatever. You got to give them that. So there's going to be some artificial turf over there, minimal cost, so maintenance is not going to be high. If you want to hold it for long term, if you guys want to sell it, then that's a great selling point. All that area is going to have shrubs and irrigation system. This is the huge tree that I told you that we trimmed. Oh my god, crap load of branches and stuff came out of it. Let me show you some stuff on the inside. That's something for a whole new video. So this is the tip for today. Most important thing is the exterior, the face of the house, the curb appeal. That's the first impression. You don't get more than one first impression. Remember, landscaping just important, if not even more than the inside of the house. That's it. Stay tuned for the inside. We'll come in about I don't know, a day or two. We'll upload it, and any questions, let us know. Take care. Bye.